यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
My dear loving children, good morning. Again, I am before you to encourage you to pick up a few idioms which I have christened with a new name, a facilitator. Now let me explain why I have given the word facilitator. Facilitator means which facilitates, which ignites you to learn something, or which inspires you to learn something without any burden. You know, if you are forced to learn something, then it really adds up to your burden. You do not feel like doing something which is not natural. Now let me tell you one thing. Before our Prime Minister, before 1994, before 2014 of course, 2014, we had seen several Prime Ministers. Leave few Prime Ministers in the early years of our independence, maybe Jawaharlal Nehru, to some extent Lal Bahadur Shastri, and for a brief period of 6 years to our great Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 7 or 8 Prime Ministers intermittently came and went. We hardly remember anything about those Prime Ministers. We hardly reckon any facts and figures in the world scenario where our Prime Minister left any, type of casting impression on the mindset of the people of India. But come the year 2014, when our Prime Minister Narendra Modi took over the reins of the country, just see the difference. Everywhere, anywhere you see, wherever he went, Modi, 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 Modi. What does this signify? And he himself, in all the addresses, whether it is in Australia or in America or in Japan, wherever he went, he really facilitated the impression of India going up, up, up and up. So what is facilitate? And what does facilitative word really signify? It really signifies that when a person, right kind of person meets right kind of scenario, a different fructifying situation emerges. Before that, we hardly heard any kind of scenario when there was even a simple reckoning of our Prime Minister in the foreign land. But we didn't know so many Indians are there outside who is going to just, reverberate. I will use the word reverberate. The chant, Modi, 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 Modi. How was that possible? It was possible because the impeccable character, indomitable strength of our Prime Minister really helped facilitate those Indians who are looking like, in a foreign land, totally marooned from all kinds of displeasure, because they were having no inner or innate desire to speak positive for anyone. They came out openly and they saw a ray of hope in our Prime Minister. Oh, here comes a man who really speaks for India and the humanity, which India always spoke of. India is one of the greatest champion of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. You live and let others live. We live in prosperity and harmony along with others, including nature. We have never destroyed. India is the only country possibly in the world which has never venture to make any country or any poor country as its colony. We have never subjugated anyone, but we have won every country in the world by their heart. We are Vishwa Guru. We have conquered their heart with love, compassion. That is why it could see one of the greatest manifestation of Indian culture and values in form of rising star in form of Narendra Modi. He is one of the greatest champions of Indian cause abroad. So my dear friends and my dear loving children, again I have come prepared to have few idioms which I call it facilitator, which shall facilitate your speaking prowess, your capacities. Just see what are those idioms which I have picked up for you. All dressed up and nowhere to go. As I told you, before Narendra Modi, there were many prime ministers, all dressed up, but nowhere to go. In reckoning, इसका मीनिंग ये है कि prepared with all their mighty clothings and preparation paraphernalia for an event that does not occur. Nobody was there to take you seriously. It was just like all dressed up but nowhere to go. Where shall you go? In which meeting? Nobody gave you damn caring. So remember, all dressed up and nowhere to go. खूब ताम झाम करके तैयारी करके गए, लेकिन वहां पूछने वाला नहीं है, ना आपकी इकॉनमी है, ना लोगों की सपोर्ट है. ये तो हुआ थोड़ा अपर लेवल का. और आप ऐसे भी इन कॉमन सेंस में इसको यूज कर सकते हो. कहाँ जाओगे? सारी तैयारी करके गया, बट पूरा सज धज के गए, लेकिन कोई कहीं जाने को नहीं है. All dressed up but nowhere to go. Next is all ears, listening willingly, waiting for an explanation. Today I'll give you all the examples on our beloved Prime Minister. Whenever he goes outside, whether it is a stadium having capacity of 1 lakh people, 50,000 people, all ears listening to him attentively. So, idioms is all ears, that is listening willingly. ऐसा नहीं कि पकड़ के, बहुत सारे नेता ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी भाषण में लोगों को 100 रुपए और खाना दे करके बुलाया जाता है. But in his hustings or election campaign or wherever he addresses the public, all ears, they listen to him willingly. They come on their own. They come out of will and desire, love for the Prime Minister. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? All ears. The gentlemen, those who were in the gathering, they were listening him with all ears, very attentively, very calmly, but दिल से जहाँ सुनी जाए या समझी जाए उसको बोलते हैं all ears. The next idiom is all eyes and ears. All eyes and ears, attentive. Everyone present in this stadium in Namaste or the Howdy Modi, for that matter Namaste Trump also, which was counterpart of Howdy Modi, all eyes and ears were attentive. They listened to him with all eyes and ears. मतलब सारी आंखें और सारे कान खुले हुए थे. They listened to him with all eyes and ears, very attentive. All eyes are on. See, these are all idioms which are nearly watching alertly or attentively, having a prominent eyes. Everyone is paying attention to. All eyes are on. Nobody takes serious very easily. They look at him with a sense of respect and attention. all fur coat and no knickers. Just imagine the situation when you are putting a very costly, very gaudy coat, but at the bottom you are in knickers. Knicker मतलब half pant. इसका I remember in post graduation by Hajberg and Masto there is a story that is a Bazaar canteen model. On the top you are pouring shirt and tie और नीचे लुंगी पहना हुआ. That was the characteristics of third world countries. You are fully dressed up on the top, but bottom down, that is beneath your waist side, you are in a lungi. That is not a attire, formal attire. That is ridiculous. Same, with the same contempt and ridicule, this idiom possibly stands for. All fur coat and no knickers. यहां तक तो फर कोट है लेकिन नीचे पतलून भी नहीं है, चड्डी भी नहीं है. What is that coat for? All hands on deck. Everyone must help. Now in this COVID-19, it is expected that any work of, quarantine work or any kind of help towards the corona warriors, that should be taken concertedly. And that's why government says all hands on deck. Please, everyone must help. All hands on deck. The next is all hats and no cattle. Pretentious, full of bluster. All hat and no cattle. It is just like a goody outside, inside nothing. जो आप बोलते हो, there is a lot of inconsistency between theoretical assumptions and practical operation. What you say and what you do has no correlation. What you say and what you do, these are totally poles apart. कोई मेल नहीं उसमें. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? All hat and no cattle. All hell breaks loose. All hell, H-E-L-L, hell मतलब वही नरक. All hell breaks loose. The situation becomes chaotic. Recently, did you remember? During Corona spread in Delhi, most of the migrant workers, they congregated at a place to move to their respective states. Government was really, skeptical whether Corona might spread and it might lead to community spread. That's why it was described as all hell breaks loose. All in a day's work. All in a day's work. That is what I am here for. Although I have accomplished something, it is part of I am expected to do. Whenever a child comes to a school, a student comes to a school, you are there to study. You are there to sumptuously study in a school and do your work as expected. You are not there in a school only for doing something other than what is expected of you. आपकी पढ़ाई ही मेन मुद्दा है. उसको क्या कहोगे? All in his day's work. That is what expected of you. All that is in a day's work. All in good time. Eventually, at a more favorable time in the future, the phrase encourages one to be patient. Everything is possible. All in good time. How was that? Well, be patient. In my case also, nothing was done overnight. All was done in good time. That encourages you to be patient. All in a good time. All in one piece, safely. Suppose somebody traveling through a train and some eventuality occurs. News spreads to your home. And finally when you call back home, are you safe? Then what should you say? All in one piece. कुछ damage नहीं हुआ है. Though accident was there in the train, but I am safe. We are safe. The entire family is safe. What should you describe this for? In idiom. All in one piece. Next is, all is cracked up to be. It's cracked up to be as good as claims or reputation would suggest. जैसा बोला जाता है वैसा ही है. Sometimes people say that if you take something from a reputed place, that is all it's cracked up to be. जैसा बोला गया था वैसा ही था. All it's cracked up to be. So you have to remember this way. Next is, all mouth and no trousers. Superficial. Engaging in empty, boastful talk, but not of real substance. These days, many politicians, they appear very, very promising. Next to heaven they are going to give you once they win the election. But after that, they disappear for 5 years. Nowhere to be seen. इन लोग इन सिचुएशन को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे? ऑल माउथ एंड नो ट्रोजर्स. ऑल माउथ, केवल बोलने का. भगवान ने दिया है मुंह, बकर बकर बोल दिया. ऑल माउथ एंड नो ट्रोजर्स. Of course, these two words, the words in the idioms does not make any synchronizations. But this is what to be. This is how idioms are. All over, but the shorting. Certain to end in a specific way. You must have seen in election hustings. How was that? It was all over but the shorting. I say, it was not so good. So my dear children, today I gave you a few facilitators. Facilitators are those which really facilitates your speaking process, which really facilitate you to speak better. Therefore, try to remember these idioms and it shall enable you, it shall help you to speak better. By better I mean you should have a capacity where your speaking process is flawless and fluent. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि